Huge traffic jam at Saligaon, as you can see. There is no place for vehicles to go from all four sides. The vehicles are not moving for last half an hour. This bus is in the middle. This side, this is the Pilline Road. This is the Kalangut Road. This is the road leading to Mapsa, and only one policeman here managing the entire thing. It's actually in unmanageable position. Everybody situation really bad.
Hurry, you can't go. This is the wrong side. What you have come in? Which side you are going?
So this vehicle come on the wrong side. ए गाड़ी किस तरफ लेके आया रे? ओए गाड़ी किस तरफ रॉन्ग साइड में लेके आया? तुम लोग को जरा भी पेशेंस नहीं है? अरे पेशेंस नहीं है तुम लोग को? गाड़ी सीधा लाइन में नहीं, इतना लोग क्या झक मारने को रुका है उधर?
वो साइड देखो, तुमको गाड़ी चलाने को नहीं आता है।
तुम लोग को झक मारने को इधर आया, ऐसा करता है इधर सब ट्रैफिक ऐसे सगळे रॉन्ग साइडीच्यान येतात. हे पूरे सीधे टेक द नंबर्स, सी दिस नंबर्स. सगळ्यांचे नंबर धाडटा रे, सगळे रॉन्ग साइडीन येयला ते सगळ्यांचे. आप लोग को सबको ट्रैफिक का चालान अभी आएगा. Request the traffic police to take action against this.
Everybody got children. All the cars are with children. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Go at the back there. Listen properly. Listen properly. And go back. Go back. Go back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come. 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 Park your vehicle here. Park your vehicle here. Park your vehicle here. Hey. Park your vehicle here. Go park your vehicle here, man.
Thanks to the police and some good Samaritans here have helped in diffusing the traffic conditions. You can see. गाड़ी अशो काढतात रे या साडीच्यान. Request that tourists who have come to follow the traffic rules here, please. Everybody is in a hurry. देश काय वादू queue is huge. This is the Panjim Road. You can see vehicle lined up on the Chokam Road straight. Again, with this bus coming in, the situation is becoming a bit tense again. This is Devesh from Saligaon. He's a policeman who is not on duty right now. But we say thanks to him. Even on off duty, he's come and performing his duties.
Let me